Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be testing out this DIY soap making science lab kit that my sister ordered from Amazon. The link will be in the description below if you want to order the kit. This video is not sponsored. This is just my honest review. This DIY soap making science lab kit is for ages 8 and up. It includes 8 experiments, 36-page activities and lab guide, and 14 plus tools and ingredients that you need. Create colorful scented soaps using science formulas. Promotes STEM education in a fun way. I bet this is going to be an amazing experiment. Let's get started. This kit includes gloves, gift bags, test tubes with lids, red, yellow, and blue coloring, apple and tangerine fragrance, glitter, pipettes, 2 soap bases, wooden spatulas, and the molds for soaps. Let's begin with the experiment. I will be doing experiment number 4, scented and colored soaps with glitter. The things that you will need for this experiment are gloves, a wooden spatula, the soap base, pipettes, glitter, coloring, fragrance, and the molds for soaps. Extra materials not included in this kit are a knife, a glass cup, a pot, a cutting board, some water, and your stove. First, we will need to do experiment number 1, steps 1 through 3. Please ask an adult for help for the next steps. My mom will be helping me out. Step 1. To begin, you will need 20 grams of soap base. My mom will cut this for me. Cut 1 bar into 5 equal pieces and use 2 to make approximately 20 grams if you don't have a scale. Then, cut the 2 pieces into 4 smaller pieces. Please ask an adult for help with this step as well. My mom will be helping me. Step 2. Place the small soap base pieces inside the glass cup. Please note that the glass must be resistant to heat. Then, put the water inside the pot. And then turn on the stove. Now, you need to heat the soap base so that it melts, passing from a solid state to a liquid one. Then, place a glass cup in double boil and keep stirring it with the wooden spatula until the soap base is completely melted. When the soap base is completely liquid, add some coloring. I'm choosing red. Add 3 to 5 drops with the pipette. Add 3 to 5 drops of fragrance. Then add some glitter. And mix. Then pour the mixture into the mold. And then wait 2 hours for the mold to be completely solid. are completely solid, carefully remove them out of their molds. Look at the glitter! It's so pretty! This one smells like apple. This one smells like roses. And this one smells like tangerine. You can give these soaps as presents to your friends and family. I'm sure they'll like it. I have one observation. I think that 20 grams is not enough to fill the mold. 30 grams is much better. That's all I want to recommend. Everything else is perfect. Let's see if it works. It creates so much foam. It smells so good. It's so soft. I love it. I absolutely recommend that you try this at home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will make more videos soon. Bye!